here today taking down one of the oldest poly houses that we've got on the farm. So there was 3 of them that we covered in 2014. So this is one of them. So we're going to remove all the plastic today, all the shade cloth, hopefully get all the middle joins down and the arches down, ready to transport to our new place. So I've just got a Stanley knife, and I'm just going to go along and cut at the base of the plastic, and then we're going to pull it over. But it feels kind of wrong cutting the plastic, especially because we've put all these protections in place to for it to not rip. But yeah, it feels wrong cutting it. These poly houses have seen so much. Every plant planted, every harvest picked, every early morning, and the lessons we've learnt along the way, and also the mistakes. It's been a part of something incredible in my life, and packing them up brings a lot of mixed emotions. Over the years, I've grown so many different flowers in these poly houses. Snapdragons, lizzies, stocks, asters, carnations, spray carnations, ornamental kale, iris, chrysanthemum, sweet williams, just to name a few. Every crop has brought something different. Some seasons brought huge wins, others brought challenges, mistakes, and moments where I've had to learn from. But it's all been a part of the journey. These structures have been more than just poly houses. They were the idea that turned into reality, my flower business. We have bought a few of the poly houses from family members, which is special. So we've kind of collected from my dad, my auntie, and a few of the cousins. We're surrounded by a lot of flower growers, so it's been special to keep them in the family and also to utilise them. But it has sparked a journey that has allowed me to create this beautiful business, and it's going to be a new business that we create at our new property. But it is also hard to say goodbye to this place where we're very incredibly excited for the road ahead, and we'll be moving everything to our new farm and starting a brand new chapter, one where we can build something bigger, we're more intentional, and design around the life that we want to create with our family. Taking down these poly houses is definitely not going to be easy or quick. There's so many bolts, brackets, frames, and years of hard work tied into every piece, but knowing what's ahead makes every bit of it worthwhile. Doing this work and looking at all these structures, it's hard not to imagine where they're going to be standing on our new property, surrounded by the flower fields, the veggie patch, the olive trees, and all the new memories that we're going to make around them. This chapter has meant so much to us, and it's not easy saying goodbye to a place that holds so much of our story. This is where I grew up, where I started my flower business, and even where we got married. So this place carries so many special memories. As we move to the next chapter, we take everything that we have learnt, every memory we've made, and all the love we've poured into this place to our new place. Hope you've enjoyed coming along with us and watching us start taking down these poly houses. It's definitely a big job and there's still plenty of work ahead, but it feels special knowing that these structures will be coming to our new place. Next week we'll be getting started on building our veggie garden. Hope you've enjoyed coming along with us and watching us start taking down the poly houses. It's definitely a big job and there's still plenty of work ahead, but it feels really special knowing that these structures will be at our new place soon. Next week we'll be getting started on building some garden beds, which feels like another exciting step towards bringing this new property to life. From moving all these poly houses to building the garden beds, planting the flowers and creating the space for our family, there's still so much to come. We're so excited to share more of this journey with you and bringing you along the way. It was really special as well, getting to work with Cam and taking the poly houses down, especially because he's got his own business, so he works full time and we don't really get to spend too much time together, so it actually is fun when we get to do some of these jobs by taking down the poly houses and working on it together. It's quite a hilarious day. We're always joking around, making fun of the situation, and we do have a little bit of a blooper reel of me trying to get the good shot and it didn't work out. So enjoy that and we'll see you next week. Sorry.
Cut.